dot-com video on pay-per-click for affiliate marketing and how you can generate income from directing traffic. One potentially huge source of traffic is directly from the search engine. But to take advantage of it, you need to be ranked highly in the search listings. One way to improve your ranking is by employing either pay-per-click or SEO methods. In this lesson, we introduce you to an overview of pay-per-click or PPC. Pay-per-click, or PPC for short, is when you purchase ads to display in the search engines when a user enters your target keywords. These ads usually appear at the top of the page, the right-hand side of the page, or both. Typically under the header, ads or sponsored listings. Here we can see some paid ad listings in Google, and some more in Bing. Unlike traditional advertising, you don't pay only to put your ad there, but also when somebody clicks on the ad, hence the term pay per click. Sounds straightforward, doesn't it? However, things do begin to get a bit curly once you start digging into it. With Google's AdWords, for instance, it's not simply a case of outbidding your competition to reach the top of the paid search listings. Google is interested in making as much money as possible. And for them, it's not always the highest paying ad that's the biggest earner. A lower paying ad that is more attractively written and gets more clicks is going to earn more for them, so they'll give this ad a more favorable position. It's also not as easy as just banging up a one-page site and buying some clicks anymore. The search engines realize that if their users are just being taken to rubbish pages when they click on their sponsored listings, they'll soon stop clicking on them. So the search engines are implementing quality measures for pay-per-click advertisers to ensure that they're offering a good experience for visitors. That said, paid search listings can be a great way to get traffic to your site without the huge amount of work that goes into an SEO campaign. And if you've got the money, it's also a great way to test a market before deciding whether you want to devote your time and energy to it in the long run. A word of warning here though. For a new pay-per-click campaign, you should expect to burn through, on average, about $500 before you start to break even, and another $500 before you start seeing significant profits. Why is pay-per-click so expensive? Well, it comes down to math. If you're paying 20 cents per click for a visitor and the product you're promoting earns $40 in commission, you need to make one sale for every 200 visitors in order for you to break even. 20 cents per click, $40 in commission. Simply, you need at least one sale for every 200 visitors. Make more sales than that and you'll be earning a profit. Fewer and you'll be losing money. It can take a while before you hit on a formula that allows you to make this ratio of sales to visitors. If you're looking at the work ahead of you with an SEO site, be aware that being able to make money on pay-per-click is as much of a science as search engine optimization. The only difference is that with search engine optimization, your lessons are free. With pay-per-click, the meter is running while you learn. Even seasoned pay-per-click affiliates walk into a new campaign fully expecting to burn through at least $1,000 before they can see what's really happening and tweak their site so that it starts making money. For this reason, we strongly recommend that new affiliates try their hand at an SEO site. You will learn a lot of things with this site that are applicable to pay-per-click without the expense. Once you've created a few SEO sites, you should be comfortable enough to try a pay-per-click campaign. Pay-per-click is a method of advertising where you bid on certain keywords and only pay when somebody clicks on your ad. So the pros are, there are fast results. You can turn a campaign on and start seeing traffic that same day. Compare this to SEO when it might be weeks or months before you start seeing the traffic. There's no need to work on things like link trading and search engine optimization. It's scalable. What you earn is relative to what you spend. Put in more money, make more money, generally. It's more scientific. You can analyze all aspects of your campaign, choose exactly how your ads display in the search engines, split test and hone your ads to perfection. There's less superstition than in SEO. Okay, and the cons. Your margins probably won't be as great as you think they will be. You still need to create significant content for your site in order to meet the quality standards, and more importantly, it's not free. Anyway, once again, Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. We'll see you again soon.